Yes. Hare Krishna. Second, chapter 2, summary of Gita. Gita Saramsh. See, so chapter 2 is very, very important because Krishna speaks about soul. So here Prabhupada says, where morality ends, Gita begins. You know about moral science. In school, we had moral science. Moral science means we should do good things. Good things in the sense we should help others. We should not say lies. We should be very good to the society. These all things are moral science. So Prabhupada says where morality ends, Gita begins, because in Gita, Krishna says about soul. He teaches about science of soul. Yes. Yesterday's points. Okay. The indecision is today's point. So he says 4 reasons I will not fight: compassion, no enjoyment, sin, and family tradition. And final one is indecision. Yes. कार्पण्य दोष पहता स्वभाव पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेता यश्रेयस्यान् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहाहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me. See, there is a gulf difference between Shuddha Bhakta and Baddhaji, like us. We are not Shuddha Bhaktas. Arjuna is a Shuddha Bhakta. So, these Shuddha Bhaktas, what they do, they will not say any lie. Yes, if he is in problem, he will say, I am in problem. Suppose anybody comes to your house and he asks, how are you? You say, I am fine. What fine? Any moment death may come. Now Corona is there. Now it's going like anything. It is in peak. So many people are dying. But still we are saying, we laugh, I am fine. So many problems will be there in house. So many problems. Not only disease, other problems are also there. But still we are saying, I am fine. But here, Arjuna is not such a kind of person. He is not hypocrite. Hypocrite means inside one, outside one. If anybody comes, we smile. Then once they go, then our face becomes totally like what to say? It will be, nobody can see such face. But anybody comes, we in front of them, we show our teeth. This is our condition. So here, this all Shuddha Bhaktas, they are agreeing that they are not fine. Here, Arjuna says, now I am confused and my duty, I have lost all composure because of weakness. He agrees that he is having weakness, but we don't agree. This is our condition. We say, I am very strong. There is no weakness. This is our condition. So then second sentence he says, in this condition, I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. See, this is the real point. Unless and until you ask with Krishna, Krishna will not guide. See, whole first chapter, Krishna didn't open his mouth. He kept quiet. But when Arjuna made this point, in this condition I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me, then Krishna opened his mouth. So this is the work of a teacher. Prabhupada says, teacher means he should know about science of God. Science of self. Prabhupada says, I will give one example. Prabhupada says, frog. Frog, what it does? Guturu, 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 it makes sound. Prabhupada says, by making such sound, it invites snake. And snake comes. And it eats. So same way, we are also like that only. We are like frog. We are inviting death. Death may come at any moment. But we should prepare for death. We should prepare for death, Prabhupada says. So, here he says, I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. This is a sign of a devotee. Now I am your disciples. Earlier he was a friend. Now he became his disciple. And his soul surrender unto you. See, surrender means many people have done this, what to say, book distribution for some years. So in book distribution, so many youths will come. And these youth, they will say, even I am surrendered to Krishna. Even I am surrendered. Morning I pray to Krishna. You pray 10, 12 hours, I pray 5 minutes. This is also my prayer, they say. So many youths, they come and they say like that. Sometimes not only youth, elders also they say. But this is not the point. Surrender means not according to you. People think, say, one person, he told me, 5 minutes is enough. Whether Krishna told to remember him whole day? No, 5 minutes. In Bhagavad Gita he says, but he doesn't have time to read Bhagavad Gita, but he says his own way. And he says, even I have also surrendered, but this is not surrender. Surrender means there is shloka in Hari Bhakti Vilasa, Anukulasya Sankalpa, Pratikulasya Varjanam, Rakshide Vishwaso, Goptute Varna Chata. Atman Nikshepa Karpanye Shadvida Sharanagataha. This is surrender. Surrender means, I will read. The 6 divisions of surrender are the acceptance of those things favorable of devotional service. Anything is favorable, you should accept for devotional service. And the rejection of unfavorable things. Anything which is unfavorable, you should reject. And you should have firm conviction that Krishna will give protection. And the acceptance of the Lord as one's guardian or master. Then full self-surrender, and last, humility. These are the 6 points in surrender. Nobody does this. Suppose you are willing to do something and Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, you don't do, then you should not do. Suppose you are not willing to do something, Krishna says you do, then you do. This is surrender. But we have created our own statements for surrender. This is totally wrong. Surrender means according to Krishna, Prabhupada says, not according to our mental concoction, not according to our mental concoction. This we have to remember. Then he says, please instruct me. If your mood is like this, then definitely Krishna will instruct you. So this is a secret. See, Arjuna is totally surrendered. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to, this is a important point. Yeah. I believe what I see works when your vision is impeccably perfect. See, this is an important point. There are 3 pramanas. First is Pratyaksha Praman. Second one is Anumana. Third one is Shabda Praman. But in Kali Yuga, most of the people, they want Pratyaksha Praman. For this Pratyaksha Praman, I will give one example. Once what happened? In 70s, Prabhupada was famous, and these American youths, they are like, they want to ask questions. And sometimes there will be good questions, sometimes nonsense questions. But they are very much listening. Once one American fellow, he came He came near Prabhupada and he said, Swamiji, you are saying in your movement that you can show Krishna. Yes, can you show me Krishna? Immediately Prabhupada says, okay, I will show you Krishna. Whether you will believe that whether I have seen Krishna, if I say I have seen Krishna, whether you will believe. He said, no, I don't have belief in you. Then your question is imperfect. When you have no faith in me, that I say that I have seen Krishna, then your question is imperfect. So Prabhupada then says, example, doctor. Any, like, there are so many parents, you know about doctor. If you want your child to be a doctor, then he should score good marks in 10th, good marks in PUC. Then so many exams are there, CAT, GEAT, MAT, so many exams are there, and he should score good marks there also. Then after scoring, he will get MBBS seat, and there he should work every day 18 hours, like writing, reading, writing, reading. Prabhupada says, after all, one doctor requires so much study. This life he may be doctor, next life God knows, according to his karma, he may be different species. But Prabhupada says, when a doctor, anybody wants to become doctor, he has to undergo so much severe austerity. And seeing Krishna is a simple task, or what he says, Prabhupada. People want to see Krishna without any austerity. Then Prabhupada says there is a process. In that process, you can see Krishna. But everybody wants Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha Pramana means, if I see Krishna, then I will accept Krishna is there, or else I will not accept. This is Pratyaksha Pramana. But Prabhupada says, what you can see in your eyes? You are having cataract, Prabhupada says. In this eyes, you can't see Krishna. You can see mostly 2-3 kilometers distance. You can't see so many things. There are unlimited Brahmandas, universes. Unlimited universes you can't see. So this Pratyaksha Pramana is not good. Second one is Anumana. Anumana means, suppose one of your friend, he came from America. You have not seen America, but he comes and he says, America is like that, America is this thing. Then you, because he is your friend, you, okay, in half this thing, you'll put half, mine on that, and he'll accept because he's friend. You're not fully convinced. This is Anumana. And third one is Shabda Pramana. Shabda Pramana means Guru says, previous Acharya says, Shastra says. Guru Sadhu Shastra Trino ke eki vakya. That is perfect. For this, I'll give one example. When Britishers came to India, earlier stage, they went to so many places, and in villages, even now, they put this cow dung onto their wall because they use for fireworks. So these Britishers saw these things, cow dungs, and they said, these bloody Indians, they don't have any sense. They are using cow dung, animal shit, they said. But in India, we are following from ages. They didn't went like, they have not done any experiment. It is like they are following. But Britishers, what they did, after 50 years, they agreed. They experimented and they agreed, cow dung is pure. Prabhupada says, they wasted their time. They wasted their energy. They wasted their money. But these Indians, they followed Shabda Pramana. Shabda Pramana means Shastra. So, Shabda Pramana is perfect, not Pratyaksha or Anumana. Okay. Now we'll come once again. Yeah. So who is Krishna? See, you can't see anything. There is a, what to say, hill, but you can't see. Still, if you go near, you can see little. Then if you still go, you can see one tree over there. Then if you go still near, you can see tree properly. If you go near, you can see one parrot. Yes. Okay. Yes, this shloka, this is about sun ray. So I'll give you an example of sun. First I will say shloka. Vadanti tattva vidam tattvam yajnanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagwan iti shabdate. So there are three realizations. First one is Brahman, second one is Paramatma, third one is Bhagavan. So I will give you example for sun. In sun, you can see sun rays. That is Brahmeti. That is Brahmeti Sakshatkar. Then suppose if you are having body which suits to go to sun planet, you can go there and you can see sun plate. That is Paramatma realization. All yogis who stay in the Himalaya, they see Paramatma within. So this is second realization. And third realization is Bhagavan. If you go still further, you can see in sun planet Vivaswan, who is the sun god. So Bhagavan's this thing realization is the final realization. And why we call Krishna as Bhagavan? Parasar Muni says, Vedavasa's father, he says, Aishwaryasya samagrasya yashrashriya jnana vairagya chaiva sanna bhaga itingana. Say Krishna is in, he has all six these things in full opulence. First one is Aishwarya. Aishwarya means he had for Aishwarya, I will give one example. Krishna married 16,108 gopis and he made diamond houses to each gopis. Then Narayana and Lakshmi comes from Vaikunta, they see, they get stunned. Because in Vaikunta, one diamond house is there, but here he had made 16,108 diamond houses. So nobody can beat Krishna in Aishwarya. Second one is Aishwarya Virya. Virya means strength. For strength, these weightlifters, they will, they will lift 200 kgs. After lifting, they will put for some seconds, they will keep like this, then they will keep down. And they will get backache and all. But Krishna, he lifted Govardhana hill for 7 days, 7 nights. And that way in his tiny finger. And another hand he was playing flute. This is Krishna. So nobody can beat in strength. Then third one is Aishwarya Virya Shamagra Yasha. Yasha means famous. See, now Modi, our Prime Minister, is famous. Previously Gandhiji was famous. Next, after some years, somebody will come. So, but Krishna was famous crores of years ago. Krishna is famous now. Krishna will be famous in future also. So nobody can beat Krishna in famous. And fourth one is Shriya. Shriya means beauty. Anybody sees Krishna, then he will forget everything. For example, one thief was there. Thief was there and somebody was saying that about Krishna. Krishna wears diamond necklace like that and all. Then that thief, he was very much enthusiastic and he went to Vrindavan and he met Krishna. After meeting Krishna, he first asked, give me your diamond necklace. Krishna said, no, I will not give. My mother Yashoda will shout. Then he went. Next day he came, and because he is a He's as a Paramatma in everybody's heart. He knows. Next day he goes and gives diamond chain to that thief. He says, I don't want. So anybody sees Krishna, he will forget everything. So in beauty, Krishna's name is Akarshati iti Krishna. Then fifth reason, knowledge. Even now we are studying Bhagavad Gita. Nobody can defeat Krishna in knowledge. And sixth reason is Vairagya. Vairagya means renunciation. See, Krishna was when he was in Vrindavan, all Vrindavan was his. Gopis, Radharani, Yashode, Nanda Maharaj, all Gopa friends, all were liking Krishna. Everybody was so much interested in Krishna. And Krishna was reciprocating also. But Akrura came. Akrura came and he took him to Mathura. Krishna never came back to Vrindavan. Once he went from Vrindavana, he never came. So this is renunciation. So these are the 6 reasons why Krishna is known as Bhagavan. Okay. Deinasmi yata de kaumaram yavvanam jara tata deyantara praptir dhiras tatra namuyate. As the embodied soul continually passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. The self-realized soul is not bewildered by such change. See, this is a very important shloka. You can see in your life, when you was child, you had different body. When you was in youth, different body. When you grown up, different body. When you become old, different body. So what does remain same? The soul remains same. Body keep on changes. And self-realized soul, Dhira, he will not bewilder. See, anybody dies in your family, we start crying. Yesterday he was with me. Today because we are not self-realized soul. We are Adhira, we are not Dhira. Anybody who is Dhira, he will not cry for this. Soul has gone, body is there itself. When death happens, body will be there only. What has gone? Soul has gone from that body. And the person who is self-realized, he will not bewilder. Nainam jinnanti sastrani, nainam dahati pavaka, na chainam kledanti apo, na shoshati maruta. The soul can never be cut into pieces by any weapon, nor can be burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind. But this body we can cut into pieces. But soul we can't cut. Yeah. See here, Arjuna says, Krishna says to Arjuna, go Arjuna, you fight. If you lose, you will go to Swargaloka. If you win, you will rule this earth. So go and fight, he says. Hato va prapshasi swargam jitva va bhokshasi mahim tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nischaya. O son of Kunti, either you will be killed on the battlefield and attain the heavenly planets, or you will be conquered and enjoy the earthly kingdom. Therefore, get up and fight with determination. Avajavadam shabahun vadishyanti tavahita nidhanastava samartyam tato dukkhartam no kim. Your enemies will describe you in many unkind words and scorn your ability. What could be more painful for you? See, anybody who is true Kshatriya, if anybody insults, his blood will be boiling. This is the true Kshatriya, not a bogus Kshatriya. So Krishna says, if you will not fight, if you go to forest, then people will say unkind words. And they will say, unscorn your ability. They will say, he is not having any ability. Actually, this is a painful for Kshatriya. Anybody like point out his ability, then that is very painful for Kshatriya. So Krishna says, you fight. Yes. नेहाभिकर्मो नाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यावायो न विधीयते स्वल्पमपि अस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. In this endeavor there is no loss or diminution. A little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. See, in bhakti there is no loss. Why? Example, see, here is Vibhishana. Vibhishana is the brother of Ravana. Vibhishana goes to Lanka and he says to Ravana, "Oh Ravana, kindly give Sita to Rama. Sita is Rama's property." Ravana says, "Sita is my property. I will convince her and I will get married." Vibhishana says, this will not happen because Sita is always Rama's property. And Ravana gets hurt and he says, "Who are you to say? Who are you to say?" Then immediately, where there is, in a house where people don't respect your words, you should not live in that house. Chanakya Pandit says, any house where there is no respect for our words, you should not live in that house. So Vibhishana comes back. He comes back to Rama. But all Rama's associates, they says, "Rama, that is Vibhishana, is from enemy camp. He is a brother of Ravana. You don't give shelter to him." But Rama says, "Anybody who comes to me, I will give them shelter. Even if Ravana comes, I will give shelter." So this is the mood of Rama. So same way, Krishna also, anybody takes shelter, he will protect. So there is no loss in bhakti. If you do little also, Krishna will remember. Then Hanuman burned Lanka for Rama. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, this is family tradition. See, parents are the real teachers. Because if parents are devotees, then children will also become devotees. So it is the responsibility of parents to become devotee. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, I want to say that, okay. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, "Bharata bhumite haila manusya janma yara, janma sarthakari kara para upakara." So those who born in India, first he should make his janma sarthaka. Why? Because he is having a good opportunity to become Krishna consciousness. Because Rama and Krishna born in this land. And then we should do Paraupakara. We should help others to come into Krishna consciousness. So here, Prabhupada says, first parents should become Krishna consciousness, then they should make their children's Krishna consciousness. So here see, this child, he wants to tie dhoti and father is helping. So this is good point. Yes. Vyavasayatmika buddhir eke guru nandana Bahushakai Anantasya Buddhayo Avyavasayinam. Those who are in this path are resolute in purpose, and the aim is one. O beloved child of the Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branches. See, we should always determine. Determine in the sense, there should be some goal in our life. Yes, I will see Krishna face to face in this life. This should be our goal. And we should not be in duality. Duality means, suppose you want to cross one river and two boats are there. If you keep leg in two boats, you will be there only. If you keep in one boat, you can go. So you should not be duality, you should be determined. Yes, I'll fix in Krishna consciousness. This should be our determination. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Prajahati Yada Kama Sarva Partha Manogatan Atmani Evatmana Tushta Sita Prajnastaduchyate. The blessed Lord said, O Partha, when a man gives up all varieties of sense desire which arise from mental concoction, and when his mind finds satisfaction in the self alone, then he is said to be pure in transcendental consciousness. In pure transcendental consciousness. See, we should not listen about our mind. Because, why we should not listen? Because mind says so many things. It's the duty of mind to distract you from Krishna. So, we should fix our mind on Krishna. Then, we will be in pure transcendental consciousness. See, example, this is Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj's father, Hiranyakashipu, he tried various ways to kill Prahlad. He set a fire, he put some snakes, he wanted to throw him from hill, he wanted to throw in water, he wanted to be killed through elephant. So many varieties of ways he tried, but he failed. Because Prahlad Maharaj, he was fixed in thought, Rake Krishna Mare Krishna Rake Ke. Rake Krishna Mare Ke means, if anyone Rake Krishna Mare Krishna Rake Ke. If Krishna wants to kill you, nobody can protect. If Krishna wants to protect you, nobody can kill. This is the point which Prahlad was remembering. So, anybody who is Krishna consciousness, this material nature, this can't touch you. You are totally in Yoga Maya. Yoga Maya means under the control of Krishna. So Prahlad Maharaj was in the control of Yoga Maya. He was totally protected by Krishna. Yeah. This is Prabhupada. This is Radha Damodar temple in Vrindavan. Prabhupada initially from 1955 to 1965, 10 years he spent his time in Radha Damodar temple. This is a place, one of the sacred place for ISKCON people, because Prabhupada started his movement in this place. He spent a sleepless night writing books, Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. So this place is one of the holiest place throughout the world for ISKCON people, Radha Damodar temple. So Prabhupada was also he was in pure transcendental consciousness. Unless and until you are in transcendental consciousness, you can't do nothing. Dhyayato vishaya pumsa sangateshu upajayate sanga sanjayate kama krodha vijayate. While contemplating the objects of the senses, a person develops attachment. for them, and from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger arises. First, we will contemplate with senses, then we will get attachment, then lust, and from lust, anger arises. See, Prabhupada says lust is the main thing, and there are so many things. Kama, Moda, Mada, Matsarya, Loba, so many things are there. These are all brothers and sisters. So one comes, other things will also come. Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammoha smriti vibrama, smriti bramshat buddhinasho, buddhinashat pranashyati. From anger, complete delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost, and when intelligence lost, one falls down again into the material pool. So, first is lust, then anger, from anger, delusion, then bewilderment of memory, from bewilderment of memory to loss of intelligence, and then he falls down. Yes. First, objects of the senses: attachment, lust, anger, delusion, bewilderment of memory, loss of intelligence, finally fall down. Yes. Krishna's solution to Arjuna's objection. First, he asked why Arjuna didn't want to fight. Compassion. So Krishna answers, we are not the body. Second, no enjoyment. Krishna says, if you lose, you will get heaven. If you win, you will get kingdom. Then he says, fear of sinful activity. Devotional activity, no sin. Destruction of family tradition. Be a role model to prevent Varna Shankara. Varna Shankara means when there are if parents are not training children in proper thing, then they will become Varna Shankara. Then indecision. Serve the Lord with firm determination. Yes, Hare Krishna. Any questions you can ask? Yes, Hare Krishna. Yes, admins, you can. Hare Krishna, yes. Hare
Shaurya Mataji, you can.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, yes.
My question to you is that when before the war started, why did Krishna give choices to Arjuna and Duryodhana to choose himself or his most powerful army trained by him?
See, because Krishna knows Arjuna is a devotee and Duryodhana is a non-devotee. He knows. So he offered, like, whether you want these soldiers, Akshoni soldiers, or you want me. If I come, I will not fight. But he was so dull-headed, Duryodhana, he thought, any of Krishna comes, he will not fight. What is the use? I will choose these soldiers. So it was what to say. But first he offered to Duryodhana. He didn't offer to Arjuna. First he offered to Duryodhana. So because he was a dull-headed, he was not knowing the importance of Krishna. So he has chosen soldiers. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Any other questions?
Yes, Swapna Mataji, you can.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna, yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask that how much time should we devote for bhakti? Like you said, for some 5 minutes is okay. For some, don't know how much time we should do. So,
See,
what's the ideal time?
Okay. Shastra says, we are going according to Shastra. Shastra says in 24, 8, 8, 8. 8 for body, 8 for mind, 8 for soul. In present scenario, in Kali Yuga, people they don't know about soul. So they are dividing for body and mind. That's it. Body means, Shastra says 6 hours sleep, and in that you should do your all recreation activities, and your eating activity should come in that 8. Then 8 for mind. Mind means we should work. Labor Act also says we should work for 8 hours. So we should work for 8. Then 8 for soul. We should keep some time for soul. So Shastra says 8 for soul.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Manoj Prabhuji, you can unmute.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, I'm curious regarding that. How does one give up his material desires like lust and anger? So how do we start in giving up?
Yeah, like by chanting the holy name of the Lord. Chanting helps you to give up this lusty desire. Prabhupada says, if you want to remove negative, you should add some positive. Without adding positive, you can't live negative. So you add this Krishna consciousness, then you can live all these lusty desires.
And Prabhuji, by giving up, I think it means like you do have those emotions, but you don't act upon it, right? Is it that state?
Yeah, see, it's like it will be in control stage. See, I can give you example. There will be one devotee and non-devotee. Devotee's mind is totally fixed on Krishna. It is like you are keeping one glass of water in table. Suppose this mind is a glass of water. You can keep in this table. It is totally controlled. And non-devotee, his mind is flickering. He gets so many thoughts. See, now you are attending my class. But your mind is roaming here and there, so many ways. So this is a duty of mind. But as soon as you add Krishna, this mind will be in a proper stage. Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, sir. Shaurya Bansal Prabhuji, you can unmute.
My question is that though Balrama was the elder brother of Krishna, even though he supported Duryodhana, what was the reason behind this?
I didn't get your question. Can you repeat loudly?
Though Balrama was the elder brother of Krishna, even though he supported Duryodhana, what was the reason behind this, Prabhu?
Yeah. See, Balram trained Duryodhana, and the main thing Prabhupada says, he doesn't want to go against Krishna. Balram is having total serving attitude towards Krishna. So purposefully he went for Tirtha Yatra during Kurukshetra, this war. So he doesn't want to disturb Krishna's mood. Although he trained Duryodhana, but he went for Tirtha Yatra during Kurukshetra. Yes. Hare Krishna. Any other questions?
Yes, Krishnaveni Mataji, you can unmute.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Mataji
Krishna.
was supposed to give some bhajan, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
What Mataji?
I think I was trying to sing a bhajan for this class, Prabhuji.
Okay. Yeah, you can sing.
What's the
Mataji.
end of the class? I don't know exactly. So I just wanted to.
Okay. Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
You want to sing now, Mataji?
Whenever you say, Prabhuji, you can finish your question answers also. It's okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, 1 second. I will ask one or two questions. Then you can sing.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dhanavad pranams.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Yeah, you can write in chat also. Hare Krishna. Yeah. I open chat.
Yes, sir. Praveen Prabhuji, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Hello.
Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
My question is, how can we differentiate mind and how can we differentiate between mind and
I can't hear you, sir. How can
we differentiate
we differentiate?
between mind and
I'm not getting. Hare Krishna. Some disturbance is there, I guess.
Please type the question in the chat box, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yes. Okay.
Prabhuji, there are questions in the chat.
Yeah.
What is the true meaning of dharma?
Yeah. See, this is a very good question. Who has asked this question?
Rani
Rani.
Rani Prabhuji.
Dharman tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means rule set by Krishna. The rules which is set by Krishna, that is our dharma, real dharma. We are thinking that according to me this is dharma. No. There in 6th canto Bhagavatam, it says that dharmam tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Charanas can't set their rules, Siddhas can't set their rules, demigods can't set their rules. But Krishna is the person who sets rules. And this is the dharma. And we should follow those rules. Prabhupada says, see, in our constitution, there are so many rules. If you criticize Prime Minister, if you criticize President, if you criticize Supreme Court Judge, if you criticize Chief Minister, so many things are there. You will be put into jail. This is a law created by Constitution. Same way, Krishna has set certain rules and regulations. And we are bound. We are bound to that rules, but so many ways you will say that there is no rule for me. There are rules, sir. One or the other day, it will, what to say, you are supposed to go to jail. But what jail? Not this, or to say, like this jail. There are certain jails created by Krishna. It is, or to say, different planets, and we are, if you do certain amount of sin, we are going to that planet. If you are doing punya, you'll go to some other planet. Everything is there. Everything is there. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
What is the difference between mind and soul?
Yeah. See, mind, like first one is body, next is mind, next is intelligence, next is soul, next is super soul. So, actually, mind is a subservient to soul. Soul is higher. But body is subservient of mind. Mind is subservient of intelligence. Intelligence is subservient of soul. Soul is a subservient of super soul. So when you connect your mind to Krishna, everything will be in proper condition. Your intelligence will be matured. Your mind will be fresh. And you can see the soul. Yes, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hmm.
How to become a true devotee? And also, Prabhuji, can you explain Krishna's solutions to Arjuna's objections once again?
Okay. True devotee means we should follow true devotee. Simple. Simple logic. And Arjuna's, what question, Mataji?
Yes,
Objections?
yes,
Once again.
Prabhuji.
Arjuna's,
Also, Prabhuji, can you please explain Krishna's solutions to Arjuna's objections once again?
yeah. See, solution is there and objection. Here it is there. I can show. See. Here, compassion. Krishna says, we are not the body. For no enjoyment, Krishna says, heaven or kingdom. Fear of sinful activities, devotional activity, no sin. Destruction of family tradition, be a role model to prevent Varna Shankara. Varna Shankara means children who like don't have proper care by parents or something like that. Totally like you are unuseful children who are burden. Prabhupada says they are burden for the society. Varna Shankara means they are burden for the society. And fifth one, indecision, serve the Lord with firm determination. Yes, Hare Krishna. Any other questions?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Aryan Singla, you can unmute, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
You talked about 5 things:
Hmm.
mind, body, mind, intelligence, soul, and super soul.
Hmm.
How super soul is different from soul? Is it Atma and Paramatma?
See, Atma is different, Paramatma is different. But Nityo Nityana, Chetanas Chetanana, Eko Hi Bhavna, Vidadati Kama. Atma is also Nitya, Paramatma is also Nitya. Atma is also Chetana, Paramatma is also Chetana. But final conclusion is Eko Hi Bhavna, Vidadati Kama. But this Paramatma is there in all the living entities, but Atma is there only in our living entity. Quality wise, we are the same. Prabhupada says, in ocean, if you take a drop of water from ocean and if you see the chemical composition and if you check that ocean chemical composition, it is same. But we are Anu, Krishna is Vibhu. So this is the difference between Atma and Paramatma. Yes, Hare Krishna.
So super soul is Paramatma.
Yeah, Super Soul is Paramatma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
So why Lord Krishna doesn't eat onion or garlic?
Because it is tamoguna, tamasic. Anything which we eat tamasic will not make you to progress in Krishna consciousness. So Krishna doesn't eat onion and garlic. It keeps you into darkness. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
How know whether we are doing right or wrong? Because killing our own brothers is a bad thing, but Krishna said to Arjuna that it is not wrong. How do we know that the actions that we do are dharma or adharma?
See, our condition is like we are we don't know anything, but Prabhupada says we should accept a bona fide spiritual master. Prabhupada says, who has accepted another bona fide spiritual master? Who has accepted another spiritual master? And it goes to Krishna. So this is the process. So initially we are in avipakwa stage. Avipakwa means like kacha mango. It is not pakka, kacha. So we should become kacha mango. So if you want to become kacha mango, you should follow correct spiritual, bona fide spiritual master. And you should tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadakshante te jnanina tattva. And tadvidhi pranipatena, first you should surrender, then you should ask question, then he has seen Krishna, he will show you Krishna. This is the process. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
How will we know about the rules set by Krishna? And you said about hypocrite. What if we don't want to hurt others' feeling? Is that also being a hypocrite?
No, see, Prabhupada says, Yasmin tuste, jagat tuste. If you please Krishna, everybody is pleased. If you pour water to the root, then no need of putting water to the branches, stems, leaves. So, our main duty is to please Krishna. Yasmin tuste, jagat tuste. Yes.
Yes, Kushbu Mataji, you can. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Yes,
how,
Hare Krishna.
how do we are already so confused within ourselves?
What, Mataji?
How do we know whom to worship if we are already so confused within ourselves?
Yeah. If you are confused, then you should read Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, there is a solution. And by reading Bhagavad Gita, Krishna will help you. He will send a person who can guide you. See, Krishna's persons are there in each and every corner of the world. each and every corner of the universes, sorry, not world, universes. Brahmanda Brahmite Kon Bhagyavanaji, Guru Krishna Prasada by Bhakti Lata Page. So, when you are having desire to serve Krishna, Krishna will help and he will show path. So, when you are confused, you start reading Bhagavad Gita, which is authorized Bhagavad Gita. There are so many editions. There are 600 editions. In that, 10 editions are authorized and 590 editions are not authorized, because they have given their own explanation. So when you read authorized book, then Krishna will help, because Krishna is there as a Chaitya Guru, he is there as a Paramatma. He will guide you, he will instruct you. Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
We have questions in chat, Prabhuji.
Okay.
What happened after Gandhari ji cursed Sri Krishna?
See, this is what to say. You see from all this serials and all. First of all, you don't bring anything from these serials. What curse she can give? She is under control of Mahamaya. She is not in control of Yogamaya. Yogamaya means Krishna. So anybody who is under control of Mahamaya, what curse she can give? She can't give anything. But say these serials, who has made these serials, my humble request, they are not devotees. Who is a director is also not devotee. Producer is not devotee. And actors also not devotee. You should hear about Krishna from devotees. See, in first chapter, I will read. Prabhupada says in first shloka. I want to just read this thing. What Prabhupada says. Bhagavad Gita is a widely read theistic science summarized in the Gita Mahatmya, glorification of the Gita. There it says that one should read Bhagavad Gita very scrutinizingly with the help of a person who is a devotee of Krishna, and try to understand it without personally motivated interpretation. So you should read with the help of devotees, not with non-devotees. So these serials are made by non-devotees. Kindly, my advice is don't see such serials. Yes, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
2 more questions. To gain Krishna consciousness, is it mandatory not to eat onion and garlic?
See, I told previously also, it is totally tamasic. It's like you fire one wood. After firing, you put water. What is the use of firing that wood? Same way, you do Krishna consciousness and you eat onion garlic, you can't progress in Krishna consciousness. If you want to progress, you should stop eating. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Last question. Is there any difference between Paramatma and Bhagwan?
See, there are three realization. First one is Brahmeti, second one is Paramatma, third one is Bhagwan. First, Brahmeti means, I told you, I give an example of sun. You can see sun rays, that is Brahmeti realization. So same way, Krishna's effulgence, that is known as Brahma Jyoti, that is Brahmeti realization. Second one is Paramatma. Paramatma means Kshirodakashayi Vishnu, who is residing in our heart. And if you go to sun planet, you can see sun disk, that is Paramatma realization. Then third is Bhagwan. Bhagwan means Krishna. If we go to sun planet, if we go deeper and deeper, you can see there Vivaswan, sun god. So first is Brahmeti realization, second one is Paramatma realization, and third one is Bhagwan realization. So Paramatma realization is first one is Uttama Purusha, that is Krishna, and Madhyama Purusha is Paramatma, Kshirodakashaya Vishnu, and third one is Brahmeti. It is just effulgence, Krishna's effulgence. Same like sun rays. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Yes, Nagavini Mataji, she can. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, they have posted some more questions.
Yeah.
I am neither a devotee nor a scholar, so it's maybe rational question, but how a Atma can carry a memory or a higher human extensions, even the feelings towards stoicism or higher consciousness, because it's all interconnected neurons which flowing human favors, even connecting towards Bhagwan is a favor from brain.
Okay. I am neither a devotee nor a scholar, so it may be a rational question. But how a Atma soul can carry a memory or higher human exchange, even the feelings towards stoicism or higher consciousness, because it's all interconnected neurons which flowing human favors, even connecting towards Bhagwan is a favor from brain. See, this is a you wrote so many words. Simple thing I can say. At a time of death, what is there in your mind? Mind carries the soul. If you have desire to go to Krishna Loka, mind will take you to Krishna Loka. If your desire is something else, mind will carry there only. So at the time of death, what is your state of mind? That differs. Yeah. So
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
yeah.
Why onion and garlic is restricted?
I told it is a tamasic item. It will not make you progress in Krishna consciousness. If you eat tamasic item, then you can't progress. Yeah. If you want to progress, then better to quit.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Uh,
Why do we feel extreme emotions like crying while listening to chantings?
See, emotion, see, this is, don't feel bad. This is Sahajiya. Sahajiya means, example, in film. Suppose actor, tomorrow he is having a crying scene. So night he practices. And tomorrow morning he goes for the scene and he will get tears because he has practiced. The same way, unless you become 100% Krishna consciousness, it is not fact. Tears, it is artificial. Real tear comes when we become pure. That is real tear. Now we can imagine and we can cry, but that is not real one. Real one, it comes. Prabhupada says, by chanting Krishna consciousness, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one or the other day you have to cry. But for that crying, you should be totally fixed in Krishna consciousness. Like you should be pakwa, not avipakwa. When you become ripe, then that tears will come. Yes.
Yes, Divya Mataji, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. I have a question that in few lectures I have heard that we are the part of Krishna and Krishna wants us back to Godhead. Then why he created Maya to get tangled on?
See, why Jail is there? Yes, Mataji. Where is you unmute her, Mataji? Divya Singh.
Yes, Prabhuji. One
Divya
minute.
Singh. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Divya Singh. Where is Divya Singh?
Yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yeah. Why Jail is there, Mataji?
Hare Krishna.
Why jail is there? Jail.
Yeah, just because for the prisoners who done the mistakes.
Yeah, who have done the mistake for them. Does everybody goes to jail?
No.
Okay. Same way, this material world is a jail. We were the residents of Goloka Dham, Krishna's place. But what we have done? we have done. Yes, Shroya Mataji. Yes. Okay. We went against Krishna. So we are here. Jail is for reformation. So we should know our mistake and we should go back to Godhead. Yes, Mataji. So this is a jail and we are actually we are prisoners. This jail is for reformation and we should know our mistakes and we should go back to Goloka. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Are there any more examples of tamasic items? Hare Krishna.
Tamasic, it will come, Mataji. It will come in a chapter, 14th chapter. There I will say. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji. For every bad karma, whether a person will get the result sooner or later, till the time he lives in the earth.
Yeah, sometimes it will get sooner, sometimes it will get later. But Krishna says, anybody who takes his shelter, like suppose, as far as karma, like in our destiny, we are like, what to say, according to karma, major accident is there in your karma. But if you come to Krishna consciousness, what happens when you are cooking? Slight knife in while cutting vegetables, slight this will happen and little blood will come. So if you come to Krishna consciousness, Krishna will make it little, but he can't stop karma. Karma you have to face, but he'll make it little. Example, suppose the dam is there. In dam, what happens? There will be door. So if you open the door, water goes. And again, when you close, water will be there only. The same way, Krishna also, if you come to Krishna consciousness, he will give little karma. But not more, but karma is there. Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah.
We all listen that the karma decides our fate in next birth too.
See,
So that's the comment.
See. Example, one of my close friend, in his horoscope, all bad was there. But after he came to Krishna consciousness, from last 8-9 years, I am with him, everything became good. So what Prabhupada says, see, this horoscope is according to these planets, all these planets. Prabhupada says, Krishna can kick unlimited planets at a time. So when you come to Krishna consciousness, totally this thing changes. Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Like no one has raised the hand or no more questions as such.
Okay. Yeah, Mataji is there. Nagaveli.
Yeah, Krishnaveni Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, are you there? We can have the Kirtan.
Yeah.
You can unmute Krishnaveni Mataji.
Yes, I have.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, what bhajan or Kirtan you're singing? I can share the screen.
Actually, I had exchanged with someone, Mataji. Someone wanted to sing on some other day, so I had come today. I think
Okay.
shared in the schedule, Mataji, Vrindavana Ramyasthana. This is from Vasanti Rasa, Hari Ram Bhajan Malika.
Okay, I have it open, Mataji. I can share the screen.
Yes, Mataji. For those who are staying back, for them it is.
Yes. Yeah.
Only if we require, then we can sing Mataji for the bhajan. Otherwise, okay.
Can you see my screen, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. I have my book also, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Vrindavana Ramyasthana Divya Chintamani Dhama Ratana Mandira Manohara Vrindavana Ramyasthana Divya Chintamani Dhama Ratana Mandira Manohara आवृत कालिंदी नीरे राजहंस किळी कोरे ताहे शोभे कनक कमला तारा मध्ये हेमापीठ अष्टदळे बेष्टित अष्टदळे प्रधान नायिका तारा मध्ये रत्नासने बोसियाचे द्विजने श्याम संगे सुंदरी राधिका रूपालावण्य राशी आम्ही आपुडीचे खसी हास्य परिहास संभाषणी रूपलावण्य राशी आम्ही आपुडीचे कसी हास्य परिहास संभाषणी नरोत्तम दास कोय नित्य लीला सुख मोय सदाये स्फुरुक मोर मनी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, Dhanavad Pranams. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
This is about Vrindavana Sthana, which is considered to be the most auspicious and Divya Dhama in the Adhyatmik Jagat, what they call the transcendental place. So it's all description of that place, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Dhanavad Pranams. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Digambar Prabhuji, if the host Prabhuji comes, we will let you ask your question. If not, please write your question to us and we will let it get answered from the Prabhuji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
There is somebody, Digambar Prabhuji has raised his hand. Do you want to take his question, Prabhuji?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
You can unmute Digambar Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Digambar Prabhuji is not unmuting Prabhuji.
Okay. Okay, then we'll end, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Vanchakalpatarobhisya kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti vaishnavandaki jai namacharya Hare Krishna.